Today, we are going to talk about the differences between should, must, and have to. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, our warm and friendly community. I am Sara.
And I am Jack. We are so happy to see you again. If this is your first time here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Your support is amazing, and it helps us create more lessons for you in the future.
So, Sara, I think I made a mistake yesterday. I invited my new neighbor for tea.
That sounds nice, Jack. Why was it a mistake?
Well, he looked thirsty, so I pointed at the tea and I shouted, "You must drink this tea! You must sit down!"
Oh, no, Jack. You must drink this tea? That sounds incredibly aggressive. Did he drink it?
No, he looked scared and he ran away. I just wanted to be polite and recommend the tea.
I see. You used the wrong word. You used must, which is for orders and strict rules. You should have used should.
This is why we need this lesson today. I don't want to scare my neighbors anymore.
Let's start with a mental picture to help everyone remember. Imagine should is like a friend's hand on your shoulder. It is gentle. It is helpful. It says, "Hey, I think this is a good idea for you."
Okay, friend's hand, gentle. Now imagine must is like a police officer pointing a finger at you. It is strict. It is forceful. It says, "Do it or there will be trouble."
Exactly. Should equals advice, recommendation, 50 to 70% obligation. Must equals law, strong order, 100% obligation.
So if I say to my neighbor, "You should drink this tea," it means, "It is delicious. I recommend it."
Yes, and if he says, "No thanks," it is okay, because should leaves a choice. But if you say, "You must drink it," you are taking away his choice. It sounds like you are forcing him.
Okay, I understand the basic difference. But Sara, English is never that simple. Let's go deeper into should. When exactly do we use it?
We use should for giving opinions and advice. For example, if your friend looks tired, what do you say?
I say, "You should get some sleep," or "You should take a break." Remember our video on take versus get?
Perfect. You are giving advice. You care about them. We also use it for movies or books. You should watch that new movie. It's funny.
Wait, is there another word for should? Sometimes I hear ought to.
Yes, ought to. It means exactly the same thing as should. You ought to sleep. But honestly, ought to is a little bit old-fashioned and formal. In daily conversation, 90% of the time, we just use should.
Okay, stick to should. Got it. Now let's talk about the scary word, must.
Must is used for strong obligations. But here's a secret nuance. We have two types of must. Type 1, the rule, the law. You must stop at the red light. You must show your passport at the airport.
This is serious. If you don't do it, you go to jail or pay a fine.
Exactly. But there's also type 2, strong recommendation, enthusiasm. This is when you are very excited about something.
Oh, like, "You must try this chocolate cake. It is heaven."
Yes, here you are not a police officer. You are just a very enthusiastic friend. You must see Paris. It is beautiful. In this case, must is okay. It is polite because it is positive.
So, "You must drink this tea" was wrong because tea is just tea. It wasn't amazing enough for a must.
Exactly. Unless it was the best tea in the universe, stick to should.
Now, Sara, we have another contender. Have to. I have to go. I must go. What is the difference?
This is a very subtle but important difference. Must is usually internal. It comes from inside you. You feel it is necessary. Have to is usually external. It comes from outside, your boss, the law, the rules.
Let me try an example. If I say, I must call my mother today, this means I want to do it. I feel bad if I don't. It is my feeling.
Correct. But if you say, I have to call my boss today, this means the boss told you to call, or it is part of your job. You have no choice. It's an external rule.
So, have to is about facts and rules. Must is about personal feelings or strong orders. But Sarah, in spoken American English, we usually just use have to for everything, right?
Yes, in casual conversation, I have to go is much more common than I must go. Must can sound a little bit dramatic or formal. So if you are a beginner, have to is your best friend.
Okay, now we enter the danger zone, the negative forms. This is where 99% of students make a mistake. Must not versus don't have to.
Listen very carefully, friends. These two mean completely different things. They are not similar.
Let's look at must not, mustn't. This means prohibition. It is forbidden. Do not do it. Imagine a red light. Stop.
You must not smoke in the hospital. You must not touch the fire. It means it is bad or illegal to do it.
Now let's look at don't have to. This means no obligation. It means you can do it if you want, but you don't need to. It is optional. Imagine a green light or a yellow light. You have a choice.
Let me give you a pizza example. You don't have to eat the pizza crust. This means you can eat it if you like it, but if you don't want it, leave it, no problem.
But if I say you must not eat the pizza crust, this means the crust is poison or it is illegal. Do not eat it.
See the difference? Mustn't means don't do it. Don't have to means you don't need to. Relax.
So let's try one more example. Tomorrow is Saturday. It is a holiday. Do I say I must not work or I don't have to work?
You say, I don't have to work. It means I'm free. I can work if I really want to. Who does that? But I'm not forced to.
If I say I must not work, it means the doctor told me, Jack, stop working, your heart is exploding.
Exactly. So mustn't means restriction. Don't have to means freedom.
Wow, I feel like my brain just grew 3 sizes. That is so clear now.
To make sure it sticks, let's do some role plays. We have 3 stories for you. Story number 1, the doctor's office. Jack is sick, Sara is the doctor. Listen for should and must. Role play starts.
Doctor, I feel terrible. My stomach hurts and I have a headache.
Let me check. Jack, you look very unhealthy. You should eat more vegetables.
I know, but I love burgers. Do I have to stop eating burgers?
You don't have to stop completely. You can have one sometimes, but you must stop eating them every day. It is dangerous for your heart.
Okay. What about exercise?
You should walk for 30 minutes a day. It's good for you.
And medicine?
Yes, you must take this pill every morning. This is not a suggestion, it is necessary. And you must not drink alcohol with this medicine.
Okay, doctor. I will try.
Role play ends. Did you hear that? You should eat vegetables. Advice. You don't have to stop completely. It's optional. You must stop every day. Strong warning. You must take the pill. Medical necessity. You must not drink alcohol. Forbidden or dangerous.
Perfect. Now, story number 2, the police stop. Jack is driving. Sara is the police officer. This is a serious situation.
Excuse me, sir. Please roll down your window.
Is there a problem, officer?
Yes, you were driving very fast. You must follow the speed limit.
I'm sorry. I am late for a meeting. I have to be there by 9 a.m.
I don't care. You must not endanger other drivers. Can I see your license?
Here it is. Do I have to get out of the car?
No, you don't have to get out. Just sit there. You should be more careful next time.
I will. Am I going to get a ticket?
Yes, you must pay this fine within 30 days.
That was scary. You must follow the limit, law. I have to be there, external obligation. You must not endanger, prohibition. Do I have to get out? Is it a rule? You don't have to get out, not necessary. You should be careful, advice.
Now, story number 3, the party. Jack invites Sarah to a party. This is casual.
Hey Sarah, I'm having a party on Friday. You should come. It will be fun.
I would love to. Do I have to bring anything?
No, you don't have to bring anything. I have lots of food. But you must try my mom's special cake. It's amazing.
Okay. Should I dress up?
You don't have to wear formal clothes. Jeans are fine. But you must not be late. The surprise starts at 8.
I promise. I will be there.
See? In casual situations, you should come. Friendly invitation. Do I have to bring? Is it required? You must try the cake. Strong recommendation for something good.
I love these role plays. They make it so real. Now, friends, we need to practice your mouth muscles. We are going to do listen and repeat. I will say a sentence. I will wait. You shout it out loud.
Ready? Sentence 1. You should take a break. You should take a break.
Sentence 2. I have to go to work. I have to go to work.
Sentence 3. You must not smoke here. You must not smoke here.
Sentence 4. You don't have to pay. It's free. You don't have to pay. It's free.
Sentence 5. You really must see that movie. You really must see that movie.
Sentence 6. We ought to leave soon. We ought to leave soon.
Excellent. Your pronunciation is getting better and better. Now, are you ready for the mega quiz? We have 12 questions. This is the ultimate test. I will give you a situation. You choose should, must, have to, mustn't, or don't have to.
Question 1. Your friend has a toothache. What do you say? You see a dentist. Should. It is advice.
Question 2. You are at a red traffic light. You, blank, stop. Must. It is the law.
Question 3. It is Sunday. You are not working. I work today. Don't have to. No obligation.
Question 4. You are in a library. You, blank, be loud. Must not. It is forbidden.
Question 5. Your boss calls you. He says, "Come to the office now." I go to the office. Have to. External obligation.
Question 6. The movie is incredible. It's the best movie ever. You, blank, watch it. Must. Strong recommendation, enthusiasm. Should is also okay, but must shows more excitement.
Question 7. There is no school tomorrow. The children go to school. Don't have to. Freedom.
Question 8. You want to give polite advice to a stranger. You, blank, be more careful. Should. Polite advice.
Question 9. You are on an airplane. The sign says, "Fasten seatbelt." I, blank, fasten my belt. Must, or have to. It is a safety rule.
Question 10. You enter a museum. The sign says, "No photos." You, blank, take photos. Must not. Forbidden.
Question 11. I promised myself I would call Mom. It is my internal feeling. I, blank, call Mom. Must. Internal obligation.
Question 12. You are invited to a dinner. The host says, "Bring food if you want, but it's not necessary." You bring food. Don't have to.
Wow, you are a grammar master. You must be very proud of yourself.
Now, we want you to write 3 sentences in the comments.
Sentence 1. Something you should do to be healthy. Sentence 2. Something you have to do every day, like a job or chore. Sentence 3. Something you don't have to do on weekends.
For example, 1. I should drink more water. 2. I have to wash the dishes. 3. I don't have to wake up early on Sundays.
Write your sentences below. We read every single comment.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You should feel good about your progress.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. You must not miss the next episode.
See you soon.
Bye, everyone.